ladies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be showing you a face scrub that really got me through being single. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite coffee scrub. It's so simple, you're not even going to believe how simple it is. It literally only has 2 ingredients. And what's great about this scrub is that you can use it any time of the season. It smells amazing. It really wakes you up. I love using it in the morning, but it's also kind of nice at night with a little bit of cinnamon to kind of calm you down in the evenings. So let me show you what you'll need for today's scrub. So if you couldn't tell from watching my intro video, the 2 ingredients that you're going to need is honey and coffee grounds. Now, I really like using organic honey, and I also really like using coffee grounds that have already been used to make coffee. So for me, a lot of times when I make my cold brew, when I pull my cold brew out, like it's finished, I pull the grounds out from the coffee, I will use those grounds, just a small amount, to make my mask. So once you have those 2 ingredients, I like to mix those 2 together, and then using my, why did I forget the word? Using my foundation brush, I like putting that on my face and applying it, which we'll get into a little bit later. But what's really nice about using a foundation brush is it kind of gives you that full-on spa experience without being at the spa. It's kind of nice on your skin, and don't worry, it will like scrub your dead skin cells off of your face when you're removing it. So let's get into applying. Okay, so we are in my bathroom, and what I like to do is I like to take a little clip. I got mine from CVS. And I like to put my hair back out of the way because you don't want any of your hairs to get into the honey. It will really make your hair sticky, and it's hard to get out without getting it wet, and my hair has already been styled, so I don't want to mess it up. Okay, now that our hair is all put back and away, out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and take that little brush that I said that I got earlier. It's a really soft foundation brush. And I'm also going to take the honey and coffee mixture that we made and just dip in there. It is sort of runny, so you want to make sure that you hold this sort of over your face when you're doing it so it doesn't get everywhere. And see how it's already slipping down my nose. It's definitely a fun face mask to do because it just like it gets everywhere. So make sure you're wearing something you don't care about in case you accidentally make it too runny. Oh, and I just love the way that this smells. It just kind of wakes you up and makes you alert for the day. And what I really like to do, we have it running. The best part about this is that it's edible. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to run it all the way down my neck. And if you haven't heard of this before, it is super important to take care of your neck the same way that you take care of your face, because it ages just the same. Yep, it already fell down on my shirt. So this is something that you can do while you're taking a shower. I do really like doing this one in the shower every once in a while. I'll do it all over my chest and take a shower with it and let it sit on there, and then partway through the shower I'll just wash it all off. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down now. So I like to leave mine on for about 15 minutes and then just come in and take a non-white washcloth. I keep like 1 or 2 washcloths around that aren't white so that when I do face masks like this, I don't have to worry about it. So yeah, I'll see you guys back here in 15 minutes. Welcome back, guys. So the face mask is all done. So now I'm just gonna rinse it off really quickly and I'll be right back. And now I'm just gonna use that washcloth to wipe off all the extra stuff that's on my face. That's all for today's video. I hope you ladies enjoyed. If you did, click the like button down below. It really supports my channel and lets me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. If you haven't already, subscribe and make sure to comment. I love learning about you ladies and learning what you're interested in and how I can help you. Hope to see you next time. Bye!